How to convert PDF to JPG. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you will need an application, this PDF to image application, which is easily available in your Play Store or your App Store. Simply install this and launch it. After that, simply accept the terms and condition. Now go to select PDF file. Select PDF file from your device and then select an option to convert it to JPG, that is image format, and it will be saved after converting. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.